Today we're going to talk about grade sync, and what you need to do is go into the course that you've already set up and that you've already imported your categories in from PowerSchool, and you're going to look down the course navigation on the left to where you see grade sync. When you click on that, it takes you to this menu, and so you can see there have been some grade syncs that have ran, and it says completed, but I have a red exclamation mark. And so I can click on where it says completed, and it'll tell me the error message. So if you have it running every night, and to do that, up here under grade sync, you go to utilities, and you want this nightly sync to be toggled on and have a green check. And so then you can go back to history, and it will say nightly grade sync scheduled at 3:05 a.m. And that means that that grade sync is going to happen for you automatically every night. And so you don't have to run a hard sync if you don't want to. Then every day you can come in and you can look and see if that grade sync was ran. And you can see that mine have been running, but because I do not have my PowerSchool connected with this course, when I click on completed, it tells me that there are no SIS IDs in the Canvas course, which means that my PowerSchool and my Canvas course are not connected. And so then I could download the log if I wanted to, but I'm not going to. If everything goes well, you'll have a check mark there instead of a red exclamation mark. But this is where you can come and check and make sure everything is going well and the connection between your PowerSchool and your Canvas is working. And if you have any questions about this, please reach out to your ITFs.